What if Donald Trump could defy history and run for a third term as president? The 22nd Amendment has barred the US presidents from a third term since 1951. This amendment was brought in after President Franklin D. Roosevelt won 4 consecutive presidential elections in 1932, 1936, 1940 and 1944, although he died in 1945 just months into his fourth term. But Trump claims there's a method to break this rule, and he is dead serious. Moreover, the founding fathers of America feared kings. So why is Trump testing this 74-year-old rule? Trump's current term ends in 2029, but his hints about a third term have sparked chaos. Is this just bluster or a constitutional crisis in the making? Could Trump use a vice president loophole? Imagine this. Vance runs for president in 2028. Wins, then resigns, handing power back to Trump as vice president. But experts say no. The 12th Amendment blocks Trump from even becoming vice president. It's a legal dead end unless he rewrites the constitution. To change the constitution, Trump needs a 2/3 majority in Congress, a near impossible feat in today's divided America. Even if he tried, 38 states must agree. Odds almost zero. Since George Washington, who voluntarily declined third term, no president dared to breach the 2-term tradition until FDR. Now Trump's playing with fire. Will he ignite a political explosion?